BenQ TK705 4K Smart Home Projector. Bright, smart, and built for entertainment. The BenQ TK705i is designed to redefine home entertainment by combining cinematic 4K UHD resolution, vivid brightness, and smart functionality through built-in Google TV. Ideal for movie lovers and gamers alike, this projector offers an immersive big screen experience without the complexity of traditional setups. True 4K visual brilliance delivering 3840 x 2160 pixels of authentic 4K UHD resolution, the TK705i reproduces lifelike detail and sharpness across massive screen sizes up to 150 inches. Its advanced DLP chip ensures precise color accuracy, while HDR10 and HLG compatibility provide enhanced contrast and realistic depth. Supporting up to 98% Recamo 709 color gamut, it reproduces cinema-grade hues that stay faithful to director's intent. With up to 3000 ANSI lumens brightness, the TK705i performs beautifully even in moderately lit living rooms. Its high contrast output ensures that every scene, whether bright outdoor landscapes or dark action sequences, remains vivid and engaging. Smart entertainment with Google TV. The TK705i is powered by Google TV, offering instant access to streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney+. The intuitive interface delivers personalized recommendations and supports voice control via Google Assistant. Integrated Chromecast allows effortless casting from smartphones or laptops, transforming the TK705i into a true all-in-one entertainment hub. Unlike projectors that require external dongles or TV boxes, BenQ's seamless integration makes streaming simple, responsive, and elegant. Optimized for gaming for console and PC gamers, the TK705i offers ultra-low input lag, ideal for fast-paced gameplay on PS5, Xbox Series X, or Nintendo Switch. Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, activates automatically when connected to gaming devices, minimizing delay and ensuring smooth responsiveness. Combined with 4K resolution and HDR support, gaming visuals appear crisp, bright, and immersive. Easy setup and flexible placement. A standard throw lens with zoom and keystone correction ensures flexible installation in most home settings. Users can easily project 100-120 images from approximately 2.53 meters away. The TK705i's auto keystone function simplifies alignment, while its lightweight build allows portability between rooms. Although the projector features built-in speakers for casual use, connecting to an external sound system or soundbar will significantly enhance the cinematic experience. Designed for modern living. Whether used for family movie nights, sports streaming, or gaming sessions, the TK705i combines performance and convenience. Its balance of brightness, resolution, and smart functionality makes it an ideal choice for everyday entertainment spaces. BenQ's attention to color precision and image uniformity ensures consistent visual excellence, while Google TV integration future-proofs the system with regular software updates and app compatibility.